One of the most critical parameters for diabetes control is regulation of sugar consumption, as high blood sugar levels can lead to nerve injuries throughout the body. This is known as diabetic neuropathy. The condition damages the vasa nervorum, small arteries that supply blood to the peripheral nerves. It mainly affects the legs and feet. Diabetic neuropathy can be managed, even prevented, by keeping a tight control on blood glucose levels and leading a healthy lifestyle. In this video on MediDoc, we take you through the types, causes, and symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. Types of diabetic neuropathy. The 5 types of diabetic neuropathies are: Number 1. Peripheral affects the legs, hands, fingers and toes, caused by diabetes, injury, infection, or toxin exposure. Number 2. Autonomic affects bowel and bladder function, sexual response, perspiration, and peripheral nerves caused by damage to nerves in the involuntary nervous system. Number 3. Focal can affect any part of the body, leading to weakness in a bunch of muscles, caused by localized damage to a single nerve or a group of nerves. Number 4. Proximal causes pain in the thighs or buttocks, leading to weak legs, caused by damage to nerves and blood vessels surrounding the nerves. Number 5. Cranial affects feeling and movement in face and eyes, caused by damage to any of the 12 cranial nerves in the brain. Autonomic neuropathy is the most severe type of diabetic neuropathy. It is known to cause hypoglycemia unawareness. Causes of diabetic neuropathy. Below are the various triggers associated with diabetic neuropathy. Metabolic factors, for instance high glucose and fat levels in the blood, low levels of insulin. Autoimmune inflammatory factors leading to nerve damage and damaged blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the nerves. Mechanical injury to nerves through trauma. Genetics, hereditary weakness to nerve diseases. Excessive smoking. Alcohol abuse. Symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. Depending on which system is affected by neuropathy, it can lead to pain, tingling, disability, or numbness in the extremities, or to problems related to the digestive tract, the urinary system, kidneys, sex organs, blood vessels, or heart. The symptoms range from being absent to being mild, to being fatal or near fatal. Symptoms also usually take time to develop over years, and the risk rises with increasing duration of diabetes. About 60 to 70% of diabetics have some or the other form of neuropathy, with the incidence being greatest in those with diabetes for 25 years and above. The other symptoms of nerve damage caused by diabetic neuropathy include wasting of the hands and feet muscles, diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, nausea and vomiting, weakness, dizziness, fainting spells, bladder control and urinary incontinence, erectile dysfunction in men, vaginal dryness in women. Diabetic neuropathy symptoms in feet, legs, hands, and arms. Tingling and numbness, unable to feel temperature changes, unable to feel pain, impaired coordination, shooting or burning pains. These may intensify at night. Diagnosing diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy can be diagnosed by checking muscle strength and reflexes, sensitivity to temperature, light touch or vibration, and blood pressure and heart rate. Managing diabetic neuropathy. Managing diabetic neuropathy involves maintaining normal glucose levels to prevent further nerve damage. This can be achieved through a healthy lifestyle and being regular with diabetic medications or insulin. Additionally, patients with diabetic neuropathy have also been able to manage their pain with anti-seizure medications and several other complications appropriately with antidepressants.